Tuesday of week 21. We are traveling in Southeast Asia and we will be doing seafood dishes this week. What we have is a spicy lobster and fish soup. So for that, first thing we want to do is we want to grind some aromatics. So here we have 3 shallots, which is thinly sliced. To this we'll add a little bit of ginger and garlic. So this is 2 tablespoons of 1 inch of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. So again, these are just thinly sliced. We have some lemongrass cut very fine, so we'll put that in. And to finish this off, we have a little bit of cashew. This is about a half cup of cashew. So these are broken cashews. So we'll put it in there, and then we'll put a little bit of water. And then we'll process this till smooth. This is done. The paste is ready. So let's start the cooking. Pan is hot. We'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, and to this we'll add the cashew paste that we did, and we'll fry till golden brown. We'll add a little bit of water if we need to. Paste has started to turn color brown. So what we will do is we'll add the bouillon. So this is half a chicken bouillon. A little bit of fish sauce. So that's 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. A couple of curry leaves, and then a tablespoon of green curry paste, put in the coconut milk. We'll mix it together. This is about 2 cups of water. You can use stock as well. Put 1 cup right now, and then we'll see if we need anything. Again, we put bouillon and we have put fish sauce. That's why I haven't added any salt to this yet. Let's taste it. It needs a little bit of salt. The heat is good. We don't need any more heat. Yeah, this is good. The taste is good. It has salt. So we'll make it come to a boil. You can see this has already come up to a boil. So we'll add the fish. We'll cook it for a couple of minutes till it's done. Fish is done. So we'll take it out slowly. Make sure it doesn't break. So I'm using cod today. You can use any white fish, halibut, we'll do red snapper, whatever fish you like, you can use that. That's the fish. And then this is the lobster meat, which is partly cooked, so I don't need to cook it as much, just heat it up. We'll just let it come to a boil, come back to a boil, and then we'll take it out. Lobster is done. We'll take it out. To serve the seafood soup, we'll take a little bit of rice noodles. So these have been put in boiling water and then into cold water to stop the cooking. And then on top of this, we'll put some soup. And then the garnishment, so we have some cabbage here. Some bean sprouts. Some cucumbers, and then lobster, and the fish. To finish it, we have a little bit of green onions, and some prawn chips. There you have it. Seafood soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. Bon appetit, and see you tomorrow.